Hey guys, it's Emily from Store More Sheds. We just wrapped up a really unique project here and we are so excited to show you the entire build process from start to finish. This is a half shed, half greenhouse and has some really unique features that we offer. If you're looking to get a shed or greenhouse, or even considering building your own, then watching us put this one together is going to give you a ton of ideas and inspiration to get that next project started. If you are enjoying the video, if you could take 2 seconds to hit that like button, we would sure appreciate it. Thank you so much. This building is a 12 by 16 and we call it our Victorian style. We're dividing it into 2 sections. The back will be 12 by 12 and used for storage and a workshop. The front is 4 by 12 and will make up the greenhouse area. The greenhouse will include a workbench, 2 windows, a Dutch door, and my favorite feature on the entire build, which is a solar fan. It's powered by the sun and runs completely on its own and turns on automatically when the greenhouse reaches warmer temperatures. I'll show you more on that later in the video.
This right here, this needs to be cut, and then this needs to be unscrewed and put back. This big gap that we're getting, it's not even flush right here.
The shed portion is loaded with all sorts of features. It will have a steel base, radiant barrier on the walls and ceiling, which help keep it much cooler on those hot summer days, several workbenches, a metal roof, and a window. Going with the steel base has advantages compared to wood. If the ground is level, we can set the steel directly on the surface. This will give the building a really nice, clean finish to it, making it look more like a permanent structure or addition to the home than just a basic shed in your backyard.
There we go, straight up. Make sure we're on. Okay, like kick your end in. More. Go. Let's go. Nice. Cool. Okay. Okay, Colby, you hold her steady. And a little, actually, leave your hair long. How are you?
I'm like an inch in.
An inch in? Oh, okay. Inch in. Let me see. Oh, you got it, Cole? Go down, Caleb. Ooh. I think Caleb was probably about half a second away from having that down on it. To the siding, so you want to be overhanging.
Okay.
So I think we're good. Let's do it.
Today's video is sponsored by QuietCool. QuietCool has the ultimate lineup of residential fans. Guys, their products are awesome. So not only do they help by keeping your shed or greenhouse cooler, you can even install them in your home or garage as well. By keeping your attic cooler, you can reduce the rate of humidity and moisture buildup, which will prolong the life of your home and save you up to 30% of your AC costs. And remember, if it doesn't say QuietCool, it's just another fan.
That's all good. Hang on to my back, Stacey. You have a nail that needs to be sucked in.
Yeah, sweet.
The small truss you see is to help create a false gable. This will change the entire look of the shed and give it a real custom finish. This is included in our Victorian style, along with 6-inch overhangs on all 4 sides of the building. As you can see, we are using radiant barrier on the walls and ceiling. This is a material that is highly reflective that significantly reduces the transfer of radiant heat by reflecting it rather than absorbing it, keeping the building cooler. You can feel a big difference going into a shed that has this versus one that doesn't on a hot summer day.
There you go, good. Yeah, dude. Beautiful.
This building is really coming together and taking shape. I'm pretty sure we're going to have one happy customer ready to start filling this thing up and making use of the greenhouse section.
Nice. Another half inch. Yeah, that's good. so you don't kill any of the silicone too. Caleb, can you get on a ladder right there and tell me how this looks? Should look real good.
It's amazing the difference these solar fans make keeping our sheds and greenhouses cooler. If you plan on spending much time working in your building, then a solar fan is definitely a great option and something you'll want to consider.
All right, we are all completed. The guys just finished it up. Let's go check it out.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video.